Hey everyone, today I'm diving into why Nigeria is Africa's powerhouse. Yes, you heard that right. Nigeria plays an enormous role in shaping Africa's future, and here's how. First up, Nigeria's contributions to Pan-Africanism. Nigeria wasn't just a bystander in the fight against colonialism and apartheid, they were on the front lines. They supported liberation movements in South Africa, Angola, Mozambique, Namibia, and Zimbabwe. Nigeria recognized Nelson Mandela's ANC and was one of the first to acknowledge the independence of Angola and Zimbabwe. Talk about setting the stage for freedom. Now let's talk leadership. Nigeria played a crucial role in founding the Organization of African Unity, now known as the African Union. They've contributed significantly to peacekeeping missions across Africa, from Liberia and Sierra Leone with ECOMOG to United Nations missions in Sudan, DR Congo, and Somalia. Nigerian leaders like Tafawa Balewa, Olusegun Obasanjo, and Goodluck Jonathan have mediated in African conflicts, promoting unity and peace. And of course, we can't ignore Nigeria's economic might. With Africa's largest economy driven by oil, agriculture, and a booming tech industry, Nigeria is a true economic powerhouse. As a key member of ECOWAS, they promote regional economic integration and free trade. Nigeria's investments in African infrastructure, banking, and telecommunications have spurred development across the continent. But it's not just politics and economics where Nigeria shines. Let's talk culture. Nollywood, Nigeria's film industry, is the second largest in the world, making waves across Africa and beyond. Nigerian movies and TV shows are a staple in African homes, promoting rich African storytelling. And then there's Nigerian music. Ever heard of Afrobeats? It's a global phenomenon now, thanks to many talented Nigerian artists. Their music has influenced not just African countries but the entire world. Don't forget literature and intellectual influence. Nigerian writers have shaped African literature and identity. Plus, Nigeria's universities attract students from all over Africa, contributing to a Pan-African intellectual growth. Lastly, Nigeria's global representation is stellar. They've held leadership positions in the United Nations, African Union, and ECOWAS. Nigerians have served in top global positions like the Deputy Secretary General of the UN and the first African Director General of the WTO. Nigeria continues to be a staunch advocate for African interests on the global stage. In conclusion, Nigeria's political leadership, economic strength, and cultural influence make it a key Pan-African nation. From supporting African independence to shaping global African identity, Nigeria remains a pillar of African unity and progress. So, next time you think about Africa's future, don't forget the giant role Nigeria plays. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time.